Today.
Ian, thanks very much indeed. And actually, while we're talking about sport, what do you think about technology deciding those crucial moments as they do in tennis and sometimes cricket?
Yes, it's been a long-running debate, particularly in football at the moment. They're actually not using it in this World Cup, though they may well do in 4 years' time. But actually, could rugby be next? Well, two inventors from Worcestershire certainly hope so, as Ben Sidwell reports.
It's one of the pivotal moments in any rugby match. A successful kick can often be the difference between winning or losing. Ever since the sport began, it's been the touch judges who decide whether a ball has passed through the posts or not. But that could all be about to change, thanks to the technology in this little grey box.
We see so many examples these days of kicks not being awarded or being awarded when they perhaps shouldn't have been. And I believe that it affects the integrity of the game.
So this is how the system should work. As the player kicks the ball, the sensors which are in the crossbar will form a virtual electronic curtain, and it will be that determines whether the ball has gone through the posts or missed. The plan is to have lights on the posts and possibly also a sound to show the crowd whether a kick is successful. A signal would also be sent to the match referee.
The old saying is that the kickers will win you matches, and given the high stakes that are in place, any kind of technology that's going to aid those kind of decisions is going to be a good one.
Through here, Ben, is where we build a lot of the very sensitive and intricate work.
GoalScan is the brainchild of two Worcestershire friends, one a huge Worcester Warriors fan, the other the managing director of a technology firm in Hereford who provide high-tech equipment for oil rigs and the electronics for ejector seats which are used by most of the world's air forces.
I think sport is traditional, and especially rugby, it's very old-fashioned. But of course, this piece of electronics does actually give those who are worried about whether it is a score or not, it gives them a perfect identification to say that is a score. Electronics does provide that positive answer.
Rugby wouldn't be the first sport to use such technology. It's been successfully introduced in tennis, where Hawkeye can determine whether a ball is in or out. But what about the most popular game in the world, football? Could it be used to stop things like this happening?
Oh my goodness me, it's in, surely! Surely Spurs have scored! And it's not given!
In football it would be a bit trickier because you potentially got the goalkeeper sitting in the goal, so he would be an object that we would need to recognise. But certainly the NFL in America have expressed an interest.
The team in Hereford are still working on perfecting the technology, but it's hoped trials will begin next season, including one at Worcester's Sixways ground. If they're successful, then GoalScan could soon be a part of rugby games across the world. Ben Sidwell, BBC Midlands Today.
Yeah, one to keep